Mr. Scratch. Learn to scratch. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Mr. Scratch, and today I'll be showing you a basic tutorial of how to make a scratch game. So, someone's sneezing. So what you're going to want to do first is name your thing. I'm just going to name mine Mr. Scratch Tutorial. When I say tutorial, starting at tutorial. So Mr. Scratch Tutorial. So you can or cannot keep you can if you want to keep the scratch pad, but I am not. I am going to open this up and I'm going to search, I don't know, just some video game characters. Let's just go with Mario. Got images.
Ooh, that's good.
Let's just grab a random one.
Sorry, it's me just be cooking. I'm just saying everything here looks good.
Let's just grab this one, I guess.
Does this really look like Mario?
So let's just grab this one, save this, and then we can go over to our scratch section again. In order to load up the thing, you need to go to this tiny, I don't think you can see it. I'm gonna just drag my screen up a bit so you can see it. It's this tiny little cat icon, and you want to go up to the upload sprite button. You're going to want to click that, and then go to the file that you've saved your thing in. Mine is most likely saved in documents. Well, mine's somewhere. Quick access. We just go to here, and as you can see, we have found a thing. If we load it in, we have our little sprite. So first of all, he's way too big, as you can see. So we're going to drag in when flag clicked. What it's going to do is whenever you click this flag, it's going to start all the code. So what we're going to want is it to set its size. You need to go to look and go down to set size to. Normally sprite size are 100, and it's already at 100. So we need to set it to say 20. And if we click this button, it then shrinks. So we then can bring it down. We're just going to make a basic background. So in order to make a background, you have to go to this little skyscraper button, click paint, and then you can choose whatever color you want. I'm just going to go with basics, sort of. If you want, you can actually choose the thing that you want in choose backdrop. I'm going to just click surprise and let choose. So here we have a bench. Mario is going to be dancing on a bench. As you can see, it's bad because it is covered. So we need to go to vector, I think. Oh, right, now he's gone. Mario's gone, everybody. Let's retry that. That's what happens all the time. Actually, let's just grab one of these characters. You can do whatever character you want just by doing the Mario thing. Let's just grab Cat. There you go, Cat. He's already transparent, so we don't have to do anything. We can set him up here. So what we can then do with him is we can say, I don't know, when this clicked, but then we're gonna need these 3. So when this clicked, show. That's what it's gonna do. And then when space clicked, so this is how we're going to make a jump. So technically we're going to have to go to the motion, and let's see, which one is it? Is it up or up is Y? Okay, up is Y. So we're going to have to grab change Y. So change Y by 10. So if we click this, he jumps. But one problem, he doesn't come back down. So then after that, we're going to have to say, we're going to have a wait. We need to wait 1 second, and we're going to pop that in between. And we're going to click this. and we're going to say -10. So he needs to be down here. Excuse me, sir, get down to the earth. Stop putting your heads in the clouds. So he jumps, he waits 1 second, and he goes back down. That's technically how you're going to want to make him jump. You can make him go higher if you want. I'm just going to make him do that. Now we're going to have to say right arrow to make him go right, and then left arrow to make him go left. Let me just. I'm doing Scratch. So we could. So we can have when right arrow press, we can just duplicate that and change some of the code in order to make it left. But you can take the 2 bits if you want. So we need motion, and we're not going to want to change X. Let's see. Oh yes. So we're going to go to move 10 steps. But that's one thing. So we have to wait 1 second, put in first a 1 second, and then a wait, and then a move 10 steps. So whenever the right arrow is being pressed, he will move. But actually, we didn't do that. He's moving. So we duplicate this. Plop. We can just do -10. Boop boop. Blam. So we can do -10 and left arrow. So we drag them all the way over here. We can click this, and it'll make him go that way, and it'll make him go that way. And he can also jump. So that's how you're going to want. That's how you make him move. But there is one problem. We have to keep dragging him over, because whenever we stop and play, he still goes to that spot. So we're going to have to make him stay at this spot. So in order to make him stay at that spot, what you need to do is, give me a second. I don't know why, but I'm confused. You're going to want to grab this. No, he already has one, so we could just go to motion, and we could say go to. And look at this. Okay, no, never mind. Stop appearing. I said no, I don't want it there. Okay, so that's apparently where he is. Yep, that's where he is. So whenever we click play, and we move him over here, and whenever we click play again, he goes over to the start. So that's how you make that happen. But if you want to go even advanced, we can make enemies come. Enemies. So let's just draw like a little, like goblin man. Little goblin. Draw a little goblin dude. You can make whatever you want for the enemy. You can make like a Sonic enemy or a Mario enemy or something if you're making one of those style games. I'm just doing any. So we can get the paintbrush and put him in. This. Go down in the brightness, and it's all dark now, so then we can just give him a little face. We'll give him little horns, shall we? Little green horns. And there is our little goblin man. He's terrifying. We can just have him, let's say, just like when this clicked, and then we're going to grab a forever loop, which means whenever that is clicked, he will do it forever and ever and ever. Non-stop. Even at the end of the world, he will still be doing it, no matter what. So, well, I guess some things can stop it if you just go boop. Or if you just delete the tutorial. Sorry. Tutorial. It just looks like tutorial. It's not, it's tutorial. Oh yeah, I was doing that. I got confused for a second there. Mr. Scratch is getting confused already. So we're just going to tell him to move 10 steps. Minus 10 steps first. Minus 40. Oh, I didn't click it. Minus 40 would be good. And then we can just wait 1 sec, drag it, wait 1 second in between that, and then we go back to motion and grab another move 10 steps, but instead we're going to change it to move 40 steps. Oops, didn't click it. So if we start this, okay, that did not work. That did not work. We're going to go minus a 80. And then we're going to go 3 seconds. This dude, 80. 80. There we go. So now he is. Oh no, we need to do double of that, which is 6. This. Okay, this doesn't seem to be working. Yeah, I think we made a mistake. You know what, let's do random position. Glide to random position. Oh, no, wait, we could just make him glide to wherever Scratch Cat's at. Scratch Cat's at. Stop. Stop, sir. Stop. You can click that red button to stop, by the way. So, also there's tutorials up here. If you want, you can click them and learn how to do stuff like chase game, music, create animations, talk, sprite, anime and adventure game. There's some cartoon characters and stuff. You have record side, use arrow keys and stuff. So you can make stuff fly, like the little dark Scratch Cat chasing after a taco, what you would call it. So yeah, you can also use those tutorials. But I'm just going to go with where Scratch is at. So Scratch starts here. So I'm going to just copy and paste this. Stop. Sir, okay. 1915 minus, okay, yeah, let me write this down. Get my pen. I write this down. I hear the pages rustling. Alright, so minus 191 minus 58. You're going to want to write it down if you like. Some expert scratches don't have to write it down. I do. I have to write a lot of stuff down if I want to get my things correct. So that was 191 and minus 58. So there we go. He'll glide out. I just hurt myself. Okay, I'm better, much better, a lot better. Our little green goblin dude's still acting mad. Maybe we should dress him up as Spider-Man, because, you know, Green Goblin versus Spider-Man, but no. You know, he looks a bit naked. Let's put pants on him. There, you're wearing stuff now. Now he looks like he has a nappy on. Alright. Let's see. Also, you can change his costume while he's walking if you want, but you don't have to do that. I'm not. So, Goblin Man, he needs to do exactly what we said. And then he needs to glide to the other side. So, where's Goblin Man at? Goblin Man is... Let me just write this down. 254 minus 55. Okay. Whiteboard marker smells nice. It always smells nice. At least I think it smells nice. I have a lot of script in here from stuff I've done. You can add music if you want. We're gonna add music as well. I'm gonna teach you how to add music. It's very, very, very too simple actually. It's only like 2 blocks. No, it's only like 3 blocks. It's so simple. So, oh, what was I doing? Yeah, okay, so so if we drag another one of these in, that down there. Oh, it's already done it for us. So whenever we start the game, he's gonna go over there, and then he's gonna hopefully go, yeah, he's gonna do that. Look, he's going across. We just made that happen, so now I'm gonna make my intro. This is gonna be my intros. This is gonna be my intro. Let's just change the font here first to, where's the Scratch font? Where's the Scratch font? Oh yeah, it's in bitmap. Still no Scratch font, fine. Okay, I'll just stop this. This is later going to be my intro, I think. Yeah, this is definitely going to be my intro, boys. Oh, darn it, it's gone. I forgot about that. Oh, well. So, now we're going to add music. Hybrid the Goblin plays music. So if you go down to choose a sound, and you go to loops, you have lots of different songs here. So you've got lots of different songs to choose from. We'll just go all the time. No one wants to hear that all the time, so you can just go to loops. Let's do this one, and then you could choose sound, choose play sound until done, go down to this, grab one of the forever loops. I'm going to explain what this does. You put that in the correct order, should play the song, and then you select the song that you want. That's funkiest one. So technically what it's doing is, well, it's pretty simple. You can just see for the code, but whenever this little button is pressed, it will forever play this song. So as we agreed, he will soon kick into action. There we go. Little Green Goblin Man is kicking into action, and so is Scratch. So that is a tutorial of how to make, well, pretty much a Scratch game. So there. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, even though it's just one video. I'm going to make more in the future. I think my next video I may be talking about how to make a game over screen. So yeah, make sure to stay tuned, hit the notification bell so you do not miss that video. And I'll see you soon.